Hey, this is Po checking in with you, and today I'm at my friend's place. This is 91 Tanglin Halt, and this is actually just from the Commonwealth MRT. Okay, you can actually walk along a sheltered linkway, and you will see like a 24-hour Sheng Siong supermarket. You have a Kofu aircon food court. There are lots of shops and services, eateries, a lot of options here, and of course there's also a Tanglin Halt market. Yeah, you definitely get everything at your doorstep, even like playgrounds. And so now I'll show you the house first. Okay, so what would attract you when you first come in is a very spacious, breezy, well ventilated living area, right? So this is only part of the space. As you can see, it expands all the way. So where I'm standing is actually at the dining area, and then what you're looking at now is the living space. Okay, so a lot of storage in the whole house. So right now what you're seeing is the storage, on this side where you can put your bookshelves. Okay, and then this will be your couch, and then your TV area, and then you actually get a nice dining table and dining benches as well. Okay, and so there's actually a concealed storage room. Okay, so it's pretty easy maintenance. You can see that this house has been well renovated. Okay, so very easy to maintain, and it's very functional. Okay, provides a lot of storage, especially I guess you will probably want a lot of storage spaces, a lot of practical spaces. Okay, and you also get a nice breezy, well lit kitchen as well. So right now I do have a family, okay, staying here. Okay, so this would be your first common bathroom. Okay, so you do have like a industrial chic kind of concept. Okay, so note that you have a nice wet and dry shower area. Okay, so this glass shower area is not commonly found. Okay, usually in most HDB flats you will get your whole floor wet after showering, right? So over here you enjoy a condo style kind of shower. Okay, so lots of kitchen space over here. Okay, so it's also divided in kind of like a dry and wet kitchen. So over here is like a dry kitchen area. You can make like toast, your coffee, enjoy your drinks over here. Okay, so again, a lot of cozy nooks and storage. And now I'll bring you to the rooms. Okay, so over here, okay, as you can see, these are sliding doors. So this is intended to be kind of like a very versatile room. Okay, a multi-purpose room. You can use it as like your study area, as you can see, because these days I guess a lot of us would work from home. If you have a guest, then there is also a single bed. Okay, and there's also there's of course an aircon unit in the room, and a built-in wardrobe as well. Okay, so it's really fully functional as a proper bedroom if you don't want to use it as a study. Okay, the second room. Okay, so all the rooms here are very spacious. Okay, bright and windy. Okay, and like I said, it's so convenient to the MRT station. If let's say you're going to the CBD, it's actually just maybe about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so this is the second room, and this one you have like a platform bed to actually maximize your storage space. As you can see, there are drawers under and also on the side, right? So a very nice unblocked view, some greenery here, and it's perfect. I mean, for if let's say you have children, young children, they need to be sleeping with you. Can arrange for a baby's cot over here. So you can imagine that it's really big enough, you know, for the entire family even. Okay, and you have a very nice built-in wardrobe over here. Okay, and this would be the master bath. Okay. Yeah, so rest assured everything will be properly checked and cleaned, and you will definitely enjoy a 1-month warranty as well. So again, you get a very nice glass shower. Okay. So it's very much like a condo design, okay? And yet you actually get the space that only an HDB can give you. Okay, so yeah, this house will definitely be gone really soon. Okay, so I'll be doing an open house by appointment, just a 1 day only, so do come back to me if you are keen. Signing off. Thank you.